Right, today is Wednesday, 10 a.m. New home sales. It's coming out at 10, so it's going to be our 10 a.m. reversal. Again, on the daily, took out the strong liquidity, ran up, almost had equal highs up here, almost into this inverse fair value gap. This could be a bearish order block in the making on the daily as dollar continues to wear up. So this could be stage one distribution. I see a nice little put opportunity right here in this area. Not put, but a call option, a call. Yeah, see, we were backing away from this fair value gap. This is what I was looking to get involved with. So we'll just wait for this 10 a.m. But yeah, this is where things are right now. So 4 hour backing away here. Had that marked out yesterday. So we run up stage one, run up into this inefficiency here, come back down, maybe bull short block here on the 4. Stage two, maybe come up for those highs up there, or maybe an instant inefficiency here. Stage three. So coordinates since we came back to equilibrium, we can now move this down here, look at this range here, and came right down to equilibrium of this range. Now we're getting some form of lift off, so it'll be interesting to see if this will continue in remaining 30, 27 minutes if we'll respect equilibrium on the 4 hour time frame. And how about we come down to this 4 hour with this bull shorter block right here on the 5. So I took a put position. I'll show you. It was based off the 15. This morning on our walk. Sold here. Had a sold here, right here. C717.25. And it really came down. But I got in here at 72. Some right here. Boom, went down. We have a propulsion block, bear shorter block here on the 5 we just run into. So took that position this morning for about 50 points. And looking good. So again, stage one, accumulation, boom, run up. Almost came for these highs here. So we have like relative highs up here. This buy side is gone, so I'm gonna replace that with this here. This inefficiency still intact. Sell side still down here, so it's the range we're working in. On the 4, looking at the hourly, is any PD raise. We had this bull short block here, but we just steamrolled through it, respecting the higher time frame, which in this case is the 4 hour. We do have this sell side liquidity down here. If we optical trade entry, dip be below this 4 hour. Can't really say it's permissible, but this is a sell side liquidity nonetheless. I don't expect us to go for this though, so I kind of don't want to add it. So I'll just keep that on this chart here. Keep the others synced globally. I want to see us like close on this hourly, and then inverse this here on the hourly. I want to go up higher. I want to see this stage one accumulation. So waiting for that 10 o'clock news shower to come out. And a new 4 hour cycle at 10 a.m. But we could get in early, you know. And here's a 15. We got this last bearish order block here. 4 standard deviations. Perfect. Took out the sell side here, which I have marked out since yesterday. And some inefficiencies down here. Boom. I have to lower this inefficiency, which lines up with equilibrium as well as a 5-minute bull short block. So that's what we mean by confluencies. And we might have a little raggedy run up, come back down, maybe create a new low, or maybe test these constant encroachment and then go back up. So looking for any sharp turns here. We don't have any fair value gaps. The only one we do have is right here on the 15. So this would be our first qualification for a sharp turn. And yeah, so that's what we got going on. It should be seen globally. Oh, it isn't. And what about that hourly fair value gap? So this is 15. But again, do we have a market maker sell model right here? We have this inverse here. One can argue at stage 1. Come down, boom. Maybe run back into here. Come back lower, be stage 2. Although we do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candle run, so I believe that's going to be the end of this down closing. Here's optical trade entry, so we can see a run up here, boom. Come back down, run back up. So that's what we have on the 15. So we have inefficiency within inefficiency. This is the hourly. This is the 15. So we have 21 minutes left in the hourly. So we'll see what that does. We'll see what that does. It's interesting how like this isn't syncing up on the 15. This should be synced globally, which it is. So all intervals, there we go. So look at all the stuff we got on our screen here. It's all good. All right, so this is where we are with our yes. Stage 1, stage 2. So New York Open, Midnight Open. So we're below Midnight Open and New York Open. Center in a discount too, so this would be like call territory. Back into original, not consolidation, but just original. Where we started on the side of the market. Then this is a sharp turn down, or sharp run down. Market maker sell model. Stage 1, stage 2, boom. Stage 1, stage 2, boom. So I do believe we're gonna go back up at some point. Alright, so this here, actually I don't want to sync this globally. This hourly. Sync that in the layout. And this is the 5, this is that 15-minute fair value gap here. This is our 1 minute. Not really interested in this right now. Still want to wait to that 10 o'clock, 9:45, 10 a.m. Here's our 15. Not as busy as the other time frames. Again, knowing we have this fair value gap here that we inversed on the 5. Propulsion block or bearish for the block. So everybody hit that. Come back down here, which we already did. So let's see what this 5-minute candle gives us. In other news, this is where we are with the top step thingy. Hmm, what was it, 6? Oh, yeah. Quite a quite a day this was. We had 2 minis on. We forgot we had them on, and yeah, panned out well. Learned valuable lesson in that though. Very good valuable lesson. Now we have to hit this 11,000 mark. So quickest way we can get there is in 2 days, getting $3,300. So that's $6,600. Basically call this 12,000. Call this 5, 7,000. So about 3,500 a day. But again, a little bit less than that. So did this on 2 accounts. So that's where we are with that. All right. So as far as call options go, um, kind of not in the mood to try to do too much right now. So, but guess we could take a call option. Let's look at QQQ. This isn't real-time data. See, it's not real-time data. Haven't paid for it. QQQ trade. Looking at on a call option. I didn't mean to do that, but what is this? This is 21st of July of June. 482. I'm buying one of those. And I will get out if we close below here on the 4 hour. So at my target is right here. So these sides up here. Spot side right here. All right, so a fair value gap here forming. That's good. Let's see how we respond to this fair value gap here on the 15th. So I'll go and buy one for the Top Step account. And I'll buy one here too as well. This could be a break rate gap. The New York Open. 12 minutes for this to be inverse. So we're on a 4. That looks good. New hourly, that looks good as well. This is a bull short, bear short of black right here at the midnight open. So be advised, we can very well hit that and see some pullback. Question is where we see that pullback. Maybe in here. Here we are at the 5, bear short of black. Let's see if we can break through that. Put this 15 bear short of black here. I think so. We're gonna see our first retracement. All right, so we got those orders going. We have this stop loss here, I guess. 10 minutes left in this hourly. Let's see what this hourly for, yeah, this hourly. So this is constant encroachment. Here's constant encroachment of the 4 hour. It's not completely yet, but it'll get there eventually. Right here. I don't want to see price come back down here whatsoever. This is what this. Let's think this globally. That's like right here. Oh, we synced the wrong one. Oh, this is the right one. It's the red, the red, the red, the red. This right here. I don't want to see price come back down here. Possible fair value gap here on the 5. I think we're gonna inverse this here on the 15. Midnight open, bear short of block, 15, retracement. So this did not go off. Almost 90 seconds, 90 minutes left, or seconds left in this 5 minute. All right, I'm gonna get a free trade out of this. Let's go to New York Open. Small inefficiency right here. Let's see if it stays open. I'm just gonna cut it off, just lock in some profits. Had a very good run up. We got this pull back, so all good in the neighborhood. Tapped into this fair value gap here on the 5. We'll just wait until it's 10 o'clock. News driver comes out. Can we inverse this here? Has this man open to deal with again? I like the idea of coming up here, but that doesn't mean it has to happen. So I'm not gonna like press the button again. But I am in this Top Step account. Maybe I'm not anymore. Stop loss might get hit. Trying to stop loss. If we can inverse this here, then I'll add in a little bit more. But I don't think we will. How many seconds left? 31. I'm looking at this one on the 1 minute. All right, so we're out there. About 589. So this little inverse here on the 1 minute. Throw a fair value gap on the 1 minute holding. We got 2 minutes left, so we'll see what this 10 o'clock wants to go. So we might want to dip back down into this inefficiency here. So we ran up, boom, run up in respect to this. Probably come for these highs up here. Come down, take out these lows. Midnight open, fair value gap on the 15. See if that can hold. Then we also have this inefficiency here on the 5, so this right here, get us a different color. Um, Here we are on the 4, and this is where we are on the hourly. So still bullish on the other time frames. Ooh, really come back down on this. 15. Kansas bear, short of black here. Bam. See what type of fireworks we get in 10 minutes. We're at 10 o'clock. Countdown, 27. They give you a little countdown. Fireworks. See what we get here. Midnight open, so we're still bullish though. 5 minute, boom, can't kissed. I'll just wait. There we go. So we just ran into this inefficiency here on the 1. She says stage 1, stage 2. We did inverse this on the 15, so that's good news. I'll buy one here. Stop loss right here. See if we can come for these highs up here. Rather these up here. Could we inverse this here in the one? Bulls for the black on the five. All right, full disclosure. I want to finish green on the day, so yeah, I could let this run, but that's why my top step account running. And if this hits, that's fine. I'll just close out of this count and keep pushing top step. But we'll see. Minute, 90 seconds left, and it's five. See what we can get with this. Body's already respected this five, so I'm gonna take this off. This 15 is inverse. That's more of a artifact. So there we go. We'll move this up some. Lock in some profits. And yeah, I should just let this run, but again, that's what the demo accounts for. So if this hits, so be it. We could come back down to this 5-minute bull short block. All right, I'll take that. I'll scalp that. Not a problem with me. Not a problem with me. I'll scalp my way to success. But really, it's all about mental capital, preserving that. And yeah, man, just preserving that mental capital. That's the name of the game right now. The name of the game. All right, so I'm out there with Top Step. So Top Step, that's where we are right now. 13 overall. Overall, yeah, this is where we are overall. This is at 60, but whatever. And for the amp account, so we just came down to some efficiency here. We're gonna continue going up higher. So I have that call option. Uh, have that call option, and I believe it's gonna work out as we want it to. So I'm not gonna fret much more about this. But as you can see, we're definitely coming up here. But it's all good. I'll be satisfied with what I have and just slowly work my way up to um, experiencing more drawdown in proportion to my account size. But ultimately, just take my time. There's no need to rush this whatsoever. So out on the AMP account, that's a lot of money. Top step right now, we're at 1400. So 1400 will put us at 7,000. So we need $4,000 more on that. So call option right now, I'm at 5% overall account on a day, which will put us like right here, right now. So this is another day, another week gone. So hitting another 5, 10% in a week. So, but we're gonna take this until we can ride this out. So we just hit the weekly open. ES has a bearish order block here. I do believe ES is gonna hit these highs up here before, you know, boom, boom. So this call option is up 17% right now. At least it was up 7%, 17%. 15 now. It's backing off, hitting a weekly open. I want to see ES come up here. If you want to trade this, we'll just do something like this here. I'll just buy here, just randomly. Stop loss. We take out these lows here. We displace below these lows here. But this inefficiency, I want to see this open. So these are the type of things we're going to get on the 1 minute. So it's best to look at the 5. Here, that bullshit block, someone just staying open. And then untouched, actually. 14 there. So if we continue continue to make $500 a day, it's 120,000 a year, but that's in a like a calendar year, not including holidays, anything like that. So midnight opens here. So that's what I mean by, the AMP account. That's what we just made. But there's 252 trading days in a year. That's if we average that, let's say 500 every 250 days, every day for 250 days, that's $125,000. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. And that's what we just hit. A little bit more than that, actually. If you go to tax asset, it's about $30,000 in taxes, not including self-employment tax. So that comes out take home pay of 90,000 minus any contributions. That does not include contributions to IRA account, 401k account, and that type of stuff. So, for copying accounts, our day-to-day account or daily expense account, quote unquote, our retirement and our stash account, yeah, we'll have to pay more in taxes, but it'll be flowing through different tax saving entities. But nonetheless, 90,000 a year, it's not bad. It's about 270,000. It's called $250,000 a year. Um, but if we're contributing 90,000 a year to our like in an IRA account, we're not contributing, but we're generating that much a year in an IRA account for. So we do this for 15 years. That's $1.3 million tax free. So Yeah, we just went to the weekly open. I think I might get out of this position. Lock in my profits. Can we go up higher? Absolutely. But not bad. Increase the account by 4%. So right now, this is where we are. June, what's today's date? 20, 26. Mm-hmm, 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 mm-hmm. I'm just playing around with these colors, really. So, yeah, just took a little scout trade. We're probably just gonna accumulate here for a while. There's really no entries on the higher time frame other than this bullshit block down here. Um, we just ran into this original consolidation or like stage. Here's stage marker. Stage one, stage two, boom, right? See that on the five, and we just got done with that market maker buy model or sell model. Here we have a buy model, stage one, accumulation, accumulation, accumulation. Take that out, then run up. That'll be stage two. So did I sell early? You betcha. Uh, and I'm just gonna learn how to just allow price to run better. So this takes time to practice, but we're doing well overall anyways. So I'll let this thing continue running up. This paper account. Um, but other than that, I'm done for the day. And I will see you all later. Peace.